Quarantine is boring. I think we can all agree on that. So, having something fun to do is really beneficial to my mental state, considering sitting inside all day is a horrible idea and exercise is really necessary. So I just want to thank Dr. G for giving us the opportunity to, do something productive instead of just sitting at home. That's what this project's going to be. It's going to be outdoors. It's not going to be some boring Khan Academy ripoff. And I hope you guys enjoy. Based on the title, you could probably see where this is going right now. You won't be prepared for how it's going to be measured, because, to find the arc length, you have to have an x-axis, a y-axis, and a curve. The curve is obviously going to be the free kick, but wait till you see how I measure the x-axis. The y-axis is going to be a bit more guesswork. As you could probably also see, I have two people with me, one of which is going to be helping me record the video by standing there and helping me measure where the ball lands and mark it. So to find the arc length of this graph, first I had to find the x-axis and the y-axis. To find the x-axis, I laid down here in intervals, which turned out to be 12 me and one water bottle, the water bottle being 12 inches and me being 70 inches tall. I figured out that it was 852 inches. After finding that out, I had to do some guesswork for the y-axis. As I said, it's not going to be as accurate, but this is pretty much how close I could get it. This is me standing in with me being 70 inches tall, and I didn't know that this was 42 inches tall. And one water bottle. So how I did it was, I had this on my screen and I put a ruler up to it. That's why you see 2 centimeters here and 1.2 centimeters here. So 70 inches equated to 2 centimeters, and it was 1.2 centimeters above that. So this equation down here, 70 over 2 equals x over 1.2, and x came out to be 42. So 42 inches is the remaining height here to the top of the midpoint. Then we go over here, where I have the vertex and a point on the graph to find out this equation of the parabola. So first I found my h and my k, which were 426 for the h and 112 for the k. I took this equation and I plugged in my values and came out to be negative 112 equals 181,476 times a. To find a, I simply divided negative 112 over 181,476, and my a came out to be negative 0.000617. Then I plugged it all in together to the equation, and the graph came out to look like this, which is pretty much as accurate as I could get it. Next, I had to find the derivative of the equation I had just found and plotted on the graph, and it came out to be this. This was our equation of the derivative, which I then plugged into an integral calculator with the equation for the arc length, and after putting all these numbers in, I found out that the arc length was approximately 889.756 inches.